Green Doctor's tomato is a favorite green cherry variety. It was named after Dr. Amy Goldman and Dr. Carolyn Mayle, who are considered true tomato connoisseurs and have each written books about heirloom tomatoes. This scrumptious variety is the perfect homage to the tomato-loving doctors. The fruit is yellowish lime green and the flesh is colored kiwi green. They have a good sweetness, and yet they still pack lots of tart flavor. The plants are extra prolific, and the large, vigorous vines are smothered in clusters of fruit. As a pleasant surprise, some plants produce bright green fruit, while others produce frosted fruit, which is lighter in color and even sweeter.